Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This is another show and tell where this is another 16-inch. I did this one like almost a month ago also, so I decided I'd come and do like a show and tell. And I'm loving this color scheme with the beautiful hint of sparkle. Let me turn, you see that? I am loving this 16-inch. And this is how I finished off the back again. With the easy crimps and the little smaller bead towards the end. I did this one like in a gold plated. And all of these are wooden beads except for these burgundy, well, the burgundy beads are wooden beads, and the design beads, like this black one and the gray, those are wooden beads. Now, these are, I want to say like a jasper. Yeah, these notches there, those are like jasper stones. And I thought I would, add a little interest to this by putting in the sparkle. And, I was just playing around with the colors. And I'm like, oh, wow, I like that. And this pendant is bamboo coral, and I think I have, no, this is straight bamboo coral. I thought I had added some tiger eye in there, but I did not. And this is done like in a silver tone, excuse me, a gold tone. And I painted this in sort of, like a gold tone. And then I finished it off like all of these wooden beads with these two bracelets. They'll fit up to like a 9-inch also. And these are, a matching set. This is like a 3-piece. And all of these, like I said, will be sold at my spot. And this is what that looks like, that one right there. And I love the way it came out. I hope that's not too close up. Let me push this back. And I just basically put all the colored wooden beads, designs up front. And I just took some burgundy beads and trimmed it off with wooden beads in the back. And I thought that came out awesome also. So this is a 3-piece. Like I said, this will be sold at my little spot. And I'm looking forward to that also. So basically, that's what I'm doing, is getting things ready for that. And like I said, I really don't want to make any more pieces till I get rid of some of the pieces that I got, until I can sell them. And then I'll dive back into making pieces. But I'm probably I'm going to do bracelets and maybe some rings and earrings. I don't know if I want to get into a necklace unless somebody requests necklaces, because necklaces are special. And you have to, really, really measure out your wire. I have like the beaded wire. That's what I made these with. And those easy crimps are getting expensive. The ones I like to order off of Amazon. You get 40 for $30, and then they got one set. You get 40 for like 27. So anyway, everything has gone up, and I'm like, okay. And it's not even sterling silver. It's not even gold. It's like gold tone, y'all. But whatever. And these are, let me show you the beads. The stones that I used. Those little bottles you can go into Michael's and get the trays? This is what I used. I love these little things. You could also fill these with, they got some little smaller tubes now that you could fill these with and put the cork on it, seal it down, and sell it, you know, like earrings. So that's something I'm looking into also. And I'll put those, you know, in the spot. You know, just finding different ways to appease the people. And so things could get sold. You know, that's what it's all about. If you're going to make it, you know, try to sell it. But thank you guys, to the new subscribers, to the older subscribers. Thank you guys for hanging in there with me, and you didn't go away. And I really, 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 really do appreciate it. I'm getting excited about, you know, what's coming. And I had to figure, like I told you, I had to figure out how I can sell this product, you know. I sat on YouTube, I made videos, but I really do like this piece right here, guys. I love the combination of it. But this is like a one-of-a-kind. Most of the pieces I make are one-of-a-kind pieces, okay? Let me get my head out. But anyway, just wanted to come and, you know, just get back on this channel and do videos. Because this channel here has the most subscribers. And the viewership is not up like it used to be. But that's okay, too. I'm just going to keep, you know, making videos. I'm just going to keep on doing, you know, what I do. And hopefully the viewership will come back up. You know, with real people. But thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm trying to think. Oh, the only tools that I used to do this was, I use these long nose, needle nose. And I use these flat nose just to close my jump rings. And I think that's about it, guys. Oh, and I use a clasp of, you know, just a regular clasp like that, you know, to finish it off. But anyway, thank you guys, and hopefully I could come back, if not tomorrow, in a day or so. See what else I got. I don't really want to give you a tour of my craft room just yet until I straighten it up, because it's a mess. It's a whole big mess, guys. But anyway, thank you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. And don't forget to like and comment to pick up on the algo. That's how YouTube float now. Likes, share, and algorithms, okay? And comments, to, you know, to get in the back in the algo. But thank you, and I'll catch you on the next one.